Hello, welcome to Margaret's Storytime. Today we're going to hear the story of Silent Night, one of the world's most beloved Christmas carols. Did you know that this carol once caused a brief ceasefire during a war? For one miraculous night, soldiers on opposite sides put down their weapons and sang Silent Night together. But how did this song, created in a small Austrian village, come to inspire such a moment? Let's find out. Are you ready? Let's dive into our story. The story behind Silent Night, a historical Christmas tale from Austria. In the early 19th century, in the quiet village of Oberndorf, Austria, Christmas was a time of joy and reflection. One year, Father Joseph Mohr, the parish priest, wanted to create something meaningful for the midnight Christmas service. He remembered a simple poem he had written earlier about the holy night of Jesus' birth. The poem was heartfelt and full of hope, and he thought it could become a song to inspire the congregation. Father Mohr took the poem to Franz Zawagruber, a local teacher and musician. "Can you compose a melody for this?" he asked. "Something simple that can be played on a guitar." Franz agreed, and together they worked quickly to prepare the song in time for the service. That evening, at the midnight service, Father Mohr played the guitar while he and Franz sang Silent Night for the first time. The congregation listened in awe as the church filled with the song's gentle melody and heartfelt lyrics. The moment was peaceful and unforgettable. The song didn't stay in Oberndorf for long. Traveling choirs shared it with nearby villages and towns, and its beauty and message touched hearts wherever it was sung. Eventually, Silent Night became a beloved Christmas tradition around the world. Years later, during World War I, Silent Night brought a miraculous moment of peace. On Christmas Eve, soldiers in the trenches put down their weapons and sang the carol together in their own languages. For one night, the fighting stopped, and the battlefield was filled with the sound of Silent Night, reminding everyone of their shared humanity. Today, Silent Night is sung around the world in over 300 languages. Its timeless message of peace and love continues to bring hope to people everywhere. This carol's humble beginnings remind us that even simple acts of kindness and creativity can touch the hearts of millions. Now that our story is over, let's take a moment to think about today's tiny tales. What was your favorite part? And what did it make you think about? The story of Silent Night reminds us of the holy night when Jesus was born, bringing peace and hope to the world. This holiday season, let's celebrate the gift of his love and the connection that continues to unite us through this beautiful carol. Thank you so much for joining me today. It was so much fun to share this story with you, and I can't wait to bring you more magical tales very soon. If you enjoyed today's story, don't forget to subscribe for more. There are many more stories waiting to be told here at Margaret's Storytime. See you next time.